Yeah, I'm going to show you how to get MT4 trading platform on an iOS device after it has been banned from an app store. You can use the following alternatives. Number one, side loading. You can use a third-party app store such as Cydia Impactor to sideload the MT4 app into your iOS device. This method involves downloading the app on your computer and then transferring it to your mobile device. Number two, you can use a web-based platform. This basically involves the web-based version of MT4 MT5, which can be accessed through a browser on your iOS device. This does not require downloading or installing any app. Number three, you can use a virtual private network VPN. Can use a virtual private network to access the app store from a different location where the MT4 app is still available. This method involves installing a VPN app on your iOS device and connecting to a server in a country where the MT4 is still available on the App Store. Please note that using the above methods may be in violation of App Store's terms of service and may also carry security risk. Thank you.